Hi, my name is Matthew Eidler. I'm our 3D printing technician here at Moore Engineering. I do 3D scanning, 3D printing, and prototyping, and I'm here to talk about all the wonderful things that we do here. One of them is prototyping, so we could take your idea and turn that into a physical product. This works particularly well for people who have a very narrow market and need us to mass produce them, because we can do that too. One of the main things that we do, and that I'm personally really excited about, is we actually take 3D scans of defects and we help the litigation team by turning those into physical models of those defects. So you can hold them, see them, touch them, sometimes even stand on them to really get a sense of how this person got hurt in the first place, and that can really help their cases in the long run. The process for that is pretty cool. We have a wonderful 3D scanner that takes all these high resolution little miniature snapshots of the thing that we're scanning, and then we stitch them together to produce a model that then I cut up into bits in our programs to make sure that they're the right size for our printers. And then we print all of those things and assemble them with carbon fiber rods and epoxy to make a solid piece that our clients can enjoy and use to win their cases. So one of the things we ended up prototyping was a bot calibration apparatus, is what we call it. Really, it's a puzzle piece. There's two of them. They snap together. They go around this tile that allows us to calibrate our bots, which is something we use for slip testing. One of our core businesses here at Moore Engineering. And actually, it was so successful that we sell them to the rest of the industry. It's a narrow group of people, but this is an invaluable tool that actually saves them a ton of money, makes the thing that they're lugging around a lot lighter, and even has a convenient holder to protect this fragile tile. And this is a nice rigid plastic that has some give but won't break, and it's a really great thing that we're able to produce and mass produce and ship them out to the rest of the industry to support the wonderful efforts they're doing to make sure people are safe around the country. So if you're anything like my mom, you're probably wondering, what is 3D printing actually used for? Why do people need it? Really works well for people who need a few of a thing, like your industry's really small, like these bot apparatuses, or these fishing rod covers that I made that helped hold in the fishing rod in a way that was more sustainable and less effort for the manufacturer, but they didn't need a whole lot of them. So I was able to mass produce them for them, but they don't need hundreds of thousands of them. They needed 20 or 30 of them. And that's a lot easier, faster, and cheaper to do on a 3D printer, with still great quality and resiliency for his needs. Well, thanks for joining me here in the 3D Print Lab. I look forward to seeing you guys maybe in a future video. But if you have any custom needs or want to prototype something, please reach out to us. You can reach us on our website. You can find all the information you need there, and I'd be happy to get you something in your hands quick. Let me organize myself a little bit.
I like what you said the first time.
Okay. Which was?